Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Greek ebook before it's gone.
Listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Πέτρα, τέλος. Ώρα για φαγητό. Θα συνεχίσουμε αύριο.
Αύριο? Γιατί, Δήμητρα?
Δεν θα δουλέψουμε πολύ μετά το φαγητό.
Οπότε, ας μην φάμε πολύ.
Αστιεύεσαι,
Now you will hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Τέλος.
The end. That's it.
Ώρα.
Hour. Time.
Συνεχίζω.
To continue. Keep. Proceed.
Αύριο.
Tomorrow.
Γιατί.
Why? Because.
Δουλειά.
Work.
Πολύ.
Much. Great. Very.
Ας φάμε. Ας μη φάμε.
Let's eat. Let's not eat.
Αστιεύεσαι.
You're kidding.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Πέτρα, τέλος. Ώρα για φαγητό. Θα συνεχίσουμε αύριο.
Αύριο? Γιατί, Δήμητρα?
Δεν θα δουλέψουμε πολύ μετά το φαγητό.
Οπότε, ας μην φάμε πολύ.
Αστιεύεσαι,
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.